So our question is, we are given the head of a single linked list. The list can be presented as this: n0, n1, 2, ln, and we need to reorder the list and something like this. I will make you understand with an example. So we are given a linked list. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So what we need to do? We need to rewrite it something like this. First, there will be 1, 6, then 2, 5, 3, 4 together. So it will be something like 1, 6, 2 will come, then 5 will, then 3, and then 4. So how we can do this? We will find the middle of the linked list. Okay. Then we will reverse the half of the string, reverse the half of the list, and then we will merge the two halves. So what I'm saying is, it will be something like, when we find the middle of the list, we will reverse it. We will reverse 4, 5, 6. So it will become 6, 5, and 4. Then we will have two different lists, and we will merge them together. So it will be like 1, then 6, then 2, then 5, then 3, and then 4. Okay. So how we will do it is, at first we need to find the middle of the list. So how we will find the middle of the list is, we generally solve it using something, we call it what, hare and tortoise problem. Yes. So we will make two pointers, slow and fast. The slow will go one step and fast will go two step ahead. Then when slow will reach the middle of this list, till then fast will point to null value. So we will reach the middle of the list on that time. This is the idea behind this method. So what we are going to do is, we are going to make list node star slow. It will be equal to our head, and similarly we will make our fast. Okay. So we will move them while fast equal to next, and um, we do next, and next. Then what will happen? There's some mistake here. First is next, and most is fine. Okay, so then slow will move at 1 point, and fast will move at 2 points. Okay, so we found the middle of our list. Then we will reverse the second half. So what we can say is, the slow one is the second half. So after the slow one is the second half. We can make like one more list. Let's call it prep. It will point to null value. How I'm doing it is, I'm having 4, 5, 6. Okay. Initially, 4 is previous one, so it is pointing to 5, but it should point to simply, I will just change the direction of these arrows, so it will point to null. Okay. So equal to null, and I'm making one more, and the current will be equal to slow, return to next. Okay. So we will find our current. Okay. So while we have this, what we will do is, we will do tab list node. Oh, I'm naming it as next time. It will be equal to current. It will point to next. Okay. Next time it will point to next, and then after this, the current will point to, then also will be current, and current will lay down the value of next time. Okay. So it will get, we will then split our list into two parts. Okay. So how I'm going to split it is, simply the after slow everything will be null. Okay. Now we need to merge the two halves that we are having. So there will be a first half and there will be a second half. So how I'm going to do it is I will use time. Okay. So what is the first half of this? Let's make it list. No, our first will be equal to head, and what is our second half is this spread. Okay. So list node the second half. It is now the head of the second list. So how we will merge these is list node star temp 1, it is equal to 3.25 first, and similarly I will make first second, it will be temp 2. So what will happen? Okay, then first next will be assigning the value of the second, and second next will be assign the value of what temp 1. Next will be equal to temp 1. Okay, this is how we will link it. So first is equal to temp 1 and second will be equal to temp 2. Temp 2. Okay, and so that's it. This is how we will solve it, I think. Oh, sorry, let's know this stuff. Some silly mistakes I'm making here. What's wrong? Runtime error. Okay. Second is no start time 1 equal to next. I need to confirm here what if there is nothing in my list. So what is not there, or there is nothing of fresh. Then return it. Now it's fine. Good. I will check if first, what if first is null and second is null. So and first is not equal to 0 and second okay. What's there is incorrect answer. Time to second. So what can I do if time on is not equal to no, then will ensure that we don't set next of null. There is still some mistake. 1, 4, 3, 2. 1/4 तक ठीक है. Hmm. How I'm doing it wrong. Here, I'm not assigning the value to slow, I'm just accessing it. So, what I need to do is go to next and then this. Now it's fine, okay. That's it.